Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So of course I already did my eyebrows, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place concealer and as my base, and I'm gonna use my AOA setting powder to set it. Now I'm using Juvia's Place Warriors palette, and I'm going to come out and take that shade and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to take that gold shade right there and put that like all over my lids. And yeah, I'm just coming on taking that shade that I put in my crease and just blending it some more to make sure it blends in with the lid shade. And I'm also taking that dark brown shade in the same palette, just putting that on the ends of my eyes, just to make sure everything blends together. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Ioni lashes as the Crisscross cluster doll style. And I'm going to use my Sephora eye contour pencil. Make sure there's no gaps in my Essence mascara. And for my moisturizer, I use my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Okay, next for my primer, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Pore Perfecting Primer. This is the first time I use this, so I liked it. I think it was a good primer. It's affordable and it kept my makeup pretty good, so yeah, I would recommend it. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl orange corrector. And now for my foundation, I'm using my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And just for some more coverage, I'm using my e.l.f. concealer in Deep Cinnamon. Put this all the places that I put my orange corrector. my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer, and I'm going to use that to highlight. Put that all the areas where like the light will hit. Now while I'm sitting, I'm using my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose, and I'm also going to use that shade to go around my jawline. And I'm going to use the other shade just to bronze the other parts of my face. And now I'm just blending out that concealer that I have down. Now I'm just going to use my ABA setting powder and just put out all the places where I had the concealer at. Now for my all over face powder, I use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going with the Juvia's Place Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette. Let me use that shade for my highlight. And then I'm just going to use the orange shade for my blush. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. I'm also going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Gloss in Kiss Me, and also the Lip Topper from Makeup Revolution in Exquisite. Now I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. All that stuff is free. I'm trying to grow my channel. So, yeah, y'all, please do all of that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.